Good morning, and we are here in Haugesund in Norway. Now, when you get off your ship in Haugesund, you will arrive at the port, and the port has a lot of great things to offer you. First of all, there is free Wi-Fi here, so you can, pop the code in and take advantage of that. There are also lots of free maps here so that you can navigate your way around. There is a little tourist information office that's even open on a bank holiday, because it's a bank holiday today, and the ladies in there were super helpful. They speak really good English. They've been able to advise us on the day that we now have planned. It takes about 20 minutes to walk into the town centre, and in a minute we will show you what that walk is, just so you can decide if it's for you or not. Now, we have had our plans changed today, haven't we?
We have, yes.
If you've seen any of our previous stuff on Norway, last year myself and my daughter went on the public buses to the Viking farm and the museum in Alvaldenes on public buses. We were going to get on that same public bus today and go further south down to some seaside resorts. But unfortunately, we found out last night it is a bank holiday today, so it is a Sunday service, and the buses don't start running in that area till lunchtime. We've got to be back on the boat for 4:30. We wouldn't have got there till about 2:30, and then we may not have even got a bus back. So the lesson learnt there is, if you're coming here and you want to use the public buses, just check what day you're going to be in Haugesund and that it's not a public holiday. But we do have a plan B, and that's because I did contact the Tourist Information Board before I came, asking for some sort of routes that we could do as tourists. We've been to Haugesund a few times. Where could we go? And the lady in the Tourist Information told me about a park with a big lake that is really, really nice. And so it's about an hour's walk from the town centre. So we think we're going to try and walk there and have a look around. But we're also, going to have a look in Haugesund, take you on the route into it, show you what else is going on. We'll also pop up what trips Ambassador was offering in Haugesund, so you can just see the sort of prices that they are charging for trips as well, and then you can make a decision as what you want to do if you're coming here.
Yep. Can we get on with our day now?
We'll get on with our day now. Come on, let's go. I've just found some more information out for you. I'm a roving reporter. There is a shuttle bus that the port puts on, and you buy the ticket for that when you get off the ship in the little visitor centre. And I've just asked a lady how much that costs, and she said it's around £9 for a return ticket on that bus. So just to let you know what the shuttle bus price is if you buy it at the visitor centre.
Well, this is the hop-on, hop-off bus in Haugesund. Yeah, we are here right now at the cruise terminal, the island where the cruise ship comes. After this, we're on number 2. There's a city hall right there in case you want to get off in town right away. And then we have number 3. That's the Haugesund Nature Park. There's a bunch of lakes here. If the weather's nice, good place to check out. Then number 4 is the Rising Tide sculptures here and the Haugesund Monument, the most significant historical monument there is in Haugesund. Then you come to 5, 6, and 7. These are multiple stops in the city. You've got churches, museums, shopping street, you name it, and then you come back here. So one circle, if you stayed on the bus, would take you about an hour. Meanwhile, a bus comes to each stop every half an hour all day long, so you can hop on and hop off the bus. Tickets, as I said, are 495 kroners, which is about 32 pounds or 45-ish euros, and it's with audio commentary all day long, open top bus, enjoy the sun.
But we're going to walk, and we'll show you a few seconds clip of what that walk's like, so you can see if it's for you or not. So we are now in Haugesund, and that took about 20 minutes to get right into the centre. But we were stopping and taking photographs. We do walk fairly quick, so probably would have only taken us about 15 minutes if we hadn't stopped.
Yeah, but a 20-minute
A
comfortable
20-minute
walk.
comfortable walk. So if you come in Monday to Saturday, this is the place behind me where you can get your bus tickets from without having to download the Columbus app. You can download that app as well in Haugesund to get on the buses, but last time I came I just used this place. It was really easy. Doesn't look like it's open on Sundays or bank holidays.
There's a man just come in.
Oh, there's a man just come in, yeah, so it will open perhaps 10 o'clock because it's about 9:30 now. So yeah, you might be okay.
So we've now walked all the way through Haugesund and we're trying to get to, forgive my pronunciation, Djupadalen.
We'll put it on the screen as well for you because
Which-
it's probably pronounced totally different.
It doesn't matter, only if you're Norwegian and watching this, we apologise
Oh, I
profusely.
apologise.
But it's supposed to have lakes and recreational grounds and all the rest of it, but it might be a little while away. So, 20 minutes to get across the bridge into town. We're about a further 5 minutes out, aren't we now?
Yeah, I mean, we'll let you know, obviously, when we get there. We'll see what it's like. If you think it's worth you coming, we'll let you know how long it's taken to walk there.
We'll let you know if we think it's worth us coming.
If we get there.
And if we get round the lake, that's another hour.
Yes.
Right, and head over the bridge. Good thing is it's very well signposted, isn't it?
So I can't believe that I said to the lady in the tourist information office, is this road going to be safe to walk along? Will there be a footpath? Will it be really busy?
It did look big on the map, didn't it?
It looked really big on the map, but this is a big road in Norway.
Look at the traffic.
Look at the traffic. Yeah, big road in Norway. You know, this is why I love Norway. And when people know that we do quite a few cruises, they say, what's your favourite country you've been to? And I always think Norway, because you get off the ship in Norway and you only have to walk 1 or 2 kilometres and there's nobody around. It's wonderful for an introvert like me. There's spectacular scenery, you can be on your own. There's no crowds, there's no traffic, there's no pushing and shoving. You know, when you get off in Spain and France and Italy and you're surrounded by 1 million people and it's like, oh, sensory overload. Oh, here it's just bliss. I love it here.
And then when you get to the spa at this island with Bohus, you take a right. So then when you get to the car park, there is an underpass. You pass under it and you arrive at the lake, which is behind us. We're going to see if we can get all the way around it. What do you reckon, Lisa?
I think we will. Yeah, let's try.
And it is just very peaceful, very quiet. There are no people off the boat here. If you want peace.
Ship, not boat.
True. I don't care.
So Giles, we could go to Preston, but it's going to take 7 kilometres round trip, and it says you must yourself evaluate if you are in good enough shape and have adequate equipment for any walk. I don't know whether we've got the equipment, and I don't know whether we're in the right shape. I think we should just go around the lake. The lady in the tourist information said it'd take an hour.
Okay.
Let's try. What's the time now? Oh, we've got to tell you how long it took to get here, actually. It takes about 45 minutes to get from Haugesund to here. She said over an hour, but I mean, we didn't walk really, really quick.
No.
So it's really doable, it is. It's doable. So yeah, let's have a walk around the lake. The only thing is, it's a good job we have brought our bottled water with us.
No shops.
There's no shops here. It's Norway. Oh, I was wanting to go to the beach today on the island of Camo. I'm sorry, I've probably pronounced that terribly. But I found a beach here. It might be a lake, but oh, it's lovely. The water is so clear, it's so peaceful. Even though, you know, the houses in the distance that I can see, it's still in Haugesund, but it's just absolutely lovely. Now, you do need your walking boots on to come on this route, and you do need to be able to balance over stones and go through a bit of mud. It's not the easiest trail to navigate if accessibility is a bit of an issue for you. So yeah, have a look at the paths, we're filming it, and see if you think it's for you. But if you do think it's for you, it's just lovely. Oh, so this is the lion's table then that you're sitting at. Gosh, it's a dead end. I think we're going to have to stop here and have a little drink of water. Pity we haven't got something else to drink, although I'm not drinking much now. Oh, you know, I've had that water for 2 days and it tastes horrible. Did you think the same?
I think it's all right.
No, oh, there's a funny taste to it. Have I had it longer than 2 days? And I've had it. No, when we get back into Haugesund, we'll see if we can find somewhere to go for a drink, if there's anywhere open on bank holiday.
Okay.
I don't mean like necessarily, not a drink, alcoholic drink. I just mean, yeah.
We're about halfway round now, and we've just been summarising what we think of this place, and it's fine. I wouldn't say it's a must-do destination. However, on a Sunday, for somewhere to stretch your legs after a sea day, this is a very pleasant walk, pleasant place. It's not exactly remote. The paths are okay in places, but they are quite rocky and bumpy and muddy in other places. I think on a wet day, it would be very slippy.
Yeah.
But this has been very pleasant. We're going to finish the rest of the walk and then head back into Haugesund.
We'll let you know how long it takes in total. We'll probably see you next time on our way back to Haugesund.
Yeah, I think about another half an hour we should be back on our way. So that's the lake done. It didn't take an hour, did it? It took nearly 2 hours.
Yeah, well, we went the wrong way as well, so we ended up on a really quite difficult path. The terrain was hard, I thought. Giles would have been racing off, but I was having to take my time. It was difficult for me, and I'm used to walking like on flat paths and things. I could walk, you know, I can walk the distance, but that terrain was quite challenging, I would say.
It was a little bit up and down, a little bit scrambly, which you probably wouldn't think round a lake walk. But it was fine. We've survived, and we're now walking back into Haugesund.
What I would say, the lady in the tourist information office said that you can catch a bus here and then you have a 20-minute walk, but we've just seen the bus go past and there's a bus stop right outside the place.
Yep, that was a 202.
The number 202, so I think you can get a bus there and back, so just bear that in mind as well.
If you need to get a bus there and back, you might not be able to do a 2-hour walk down the lake.
Yes. Well, we're going to go into Haugesund now, see what's open.
Probably very little.
Yeah, the big spa isn't open. I was going to get a bottle of water from there. But no, let's see what we can find.
So here we are in Haugesund. And it's a bank holiday Monday. Whitsun, even though it's June the 9th. And it's dead. We're just looking for a coffee shop. So we've had 2 hours of walking.
No, we've had 3 hours of walking actually, because we walked to the place.
3 hours of walking. So we deserve a cup of coffee.
Yeah, almost an hour. No, 4 hours, you know. Walking. Just can't find anything open.
There's a pub there. That'd be expensive.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw a review of that pub over there, and someone had the worst pint of Guinness ever. That might be something to try. Fancy the worst of something ever. I'm not going to give the name of the pub. I mean, there's lots of things to like about Norway, but the flag's a big plus. Do you get it?
Yeah, that's very funny actually. So here we are on the waterfront at Haugesund. We've gone past some coffee shops and they are closed. So bank holiday Monday, forget getting a coffee in Haugesund.
Wait a bit, I see things ahead.
Well, there might be
These
ahead.
places open.
Well, the pubs are open and the restaurants are open. So whether you can, you might be able to just have a coffee in a place like that. We'll have a look. But this is a nice little pleasant walk if you just want a little walk in Haugesund. We've done this before. So we've had a much needed break. We found a restaurant that was open for a cup of coffee. It was very nice, really interesting restaurant inside. They got some old pictures of Haugesund on the walls and you could tell it was Haugesund. I don't think it's changed that much, has it, in like 100 years? It was a really nice place to stop and have a coffee.
You needed it.
Oh gosh, I did. I was really flagging earlier after all that walking, but it's perked me up a bit now and I'm able to make the 20-minute walk back to the boat without stopping and feeling faint.
If she gets dehydrated, if she gets grumpy, you just need to add water or alcohol.
No, not alcohol, that would make me even worse. You just need a bit of a pick-me-up, don't you? I think most people would agree with me on that. Giles could probably walk for 8 hours solid without anything, without any water, drink, food. He'd just keep going, oh, I just can't, I'm just not that sort of person. I need a break.
You're normal.
Anyway, I hope, we have helped you if you're coming to Haugesund today. If you want to do something different, go and check out this video up here. And that just is a different day in Haugesund, visiting the Viking farm and church, and lots of good tips in that video as well.
But the best tip we can give you today is check the bus timetable, see if it's a Sunday or a bank holiday, because things change.
Definitely.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Welcome to
Bye.
our channel. We are traveling light. We're going on adventures and sometimes get it right. We like to give you hints and tips, and if you can't decide, promise us you'll do one thing, that is like and subscribe. Traveling light with Lisa, traveling light with Giles. Why not come along with us? We'll guarantee some smiles. There's one thing that we love to do, and that is travel and cruise. Trying lots of different foods and knocking back the booze.